Hello, all, and welcome to the stream. Today is the day 101, and today we are gonna start with the new project series. As we discussed yesterday on the stream, that our goal is to like grow now and grow seriously. So till now we were like stuck into basics. We were learning some basics, but now it's time for the real project, and this is the project that I wanted to do since a while. So that is what we are gonna do now. Correct. So let's start. Today's goal is to like create the basic ER diagram, the database design, because I always start the project keeping in mind that database should be the first approach. Okay, so database first approach that we will use, and we have to begin the stream uh, right now. So yeah. I have some designs that I have created for this one. Let me show you that. If I go to downloads, and these are some designs. Uh, so this is how the first page would look like, and I want to connect multiple accounts, Gmail accounts, so that from those accounts I'll be able to track the all the pages, like all the orders from the email account. So that is what I wanted. We will have simple Google authentication, and then connect multiple accounts. Here you will get an option to connect multiple accounts in the application, so that whichever the orders that you are gonna get, whichever the orders that you will place, be it any website, be it Amazon, Flipkart, these popular website, and be it from any normal website, all the orders will be tracked through the email accounts and converted to a simple object, and that object we will show here on this in this application, right? Then yeah, this is how multiple emails will be connected. Then this is the active orders. I'll tweak it a bit because it's not the design that I liked for this one. I'll change it, but you can ignore the upper part. This below part is almost gonna be same. I don't want to have some details page or something. I just want to keep it simple, just that I want to embed the OTP as well, so that so that the user will get to always know when this order is gonna be there, like OTP वगैरह ये सब चीज़ें हम उसमें ऐड करेंगे. Then these are some details. I don't think we will build this part, because every website has their own order confirmation, shipped, and other statuses, so that will be very difficult to generalize that part. And then yeah, these notification, these are fine. Profile, these will show connected Gmail accounts. Then this, and then this. Correct. So the main page that we want to have is this. Okay, so let me keep this here, so that people will get to know what we are building right now. Okay, and now the most important part that we want to do is today is to do the database design now. The fuck is happening? Yeah, so we'll do now database design. So what all schemas that we will need for this one? So I have one chat which I have been training for this purpose. I want to know how you guys can link, like connect with me on this particular project continuously. So let me keep the image, the orders app. this page, not this page, and this page. So let me copy this image and let me paste it here the side. Okay, so it will be always visible to you हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. ठीक है. So this is what we are trying, or should I get all the images here, so let me get all the images. mm, can we group this? Yeah, group the selection. जंगल में आज मंगल है राजा, छाट घट पानी से भूमि हूँ मैं, तेरी ही पलकों में देखने में जलवा है. Okay, we have everything at one place, so we don't need these other things. Okay, so this is what we have. uh, Let me like the stream by myself now. Let me see if everything is working. Okay, so I understood the mistake. Mistake 101. घट घट में पीनी हूँ मैं. WhatsApp. Okay, so table wise, what all tables that we need? One is to user, that we for sure gonna need. Then there is this orders, order items, order events. This I don't think we will need these tables. So the user will come to this, right? Connect app. So connect, continue with Google. This will be user will log in at this point, and then there is an option for like connecting multiple. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, Yash. How are you, bro? So yeah, I guess for this one we actually need one auth module, correct? Auth module should be separate, and then for this is like email module should be separate. Hello, hello, how are you guys? Let me add a target now. I have just started. Okay, so this is the basic design that I have created, and this is what I want to create because I face one problem on day to day basis in my life. Is like if you guys have faced that or not, you can relate to that. I do a lot of Instagram shopping. Like the way of shopping has been changed drastically since over the last 1 year or so. There has been like many small brands that are originating in India, and they have their own apps, their own websites, and all everything. And for that, we actually go and place the orders. Like we get to know about those brands through Instagram Reels or Instagram advertisements, and we go and go and buy some things from that. And then we forgot like कहाँ से हमने क्या order किया था हम भूल जाते हैं, you know. So this to tackle this issue, this is like really big issue. I have did some analysis. I have like asked different people and started Google form. I lost that data, but I know what was in that data. So people face this kind of problems. And to summarize, like consider this as all the orders wherever you place in the whole world online, it will be combined to this one place only. And here in this place, you will get to see when the order is gonna be delivered, so that you can plan your journey or outing accordingly. Like you go to office or work or colleges, then you can see कि हाँ ओके ये ऑर्डर आज आने वाला है, तो हम वेट कर सकते हैं थोड़ा या उसको कॉल कर लेते हैं. तो इसमें ये विद इन दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इट विल हैव द OTP, the website कहाँ से वो ऑर्डर आ रहा है कंपनी, and what is the current status, you know, price and all. I don't think we gonna need over this. So that is what we need. So today, till the 100th stream, we actually learned Java, Spring Boot. We did chote projects and all, and now we got the good idea of that. So now I have a confidence that I can build a complete end-to-end app using Java Spring Boot. So why not? So this is the one that I really want to show in my resume, this project. So this is what I'm gonna build. So don't forget to like the stream, guys, because unless until you like the stream, it wouldn't be suggested to other people. So if you are the first joiners, like joined within first 10 minutes, so please kindly like the stream. Okay, so this is the auth module that we need. uh, this is the email module that we need. And then I'm trying to connect the dots. So notification on all is like secondary thing. So these two are like major things. So in the auth module, we will simply have like users table, you know. First is users table that we'll for sure gonna need. Are you using Spring Boot for mobile apps? How does that work? No, 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 no. I'm using Spring Boot for the backend API, bro. For mobile application, I'll use React Native. React Native will help me to create both iOS and this app. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Android का app. Spring Boot is just for the backend. So we will introduce microservices and all in the future, but currently I'll keep everything in the one project and try to make it work initially. And after that, whatever the issues we'll face, we will make the changes accordingly. So this is gonna be the MVP one. Makes sense. Thanks. Even I'm learning backend using Spring Boot. Yeah, you can join in, bro. Many people are like joining the stream and dedicating these 2 hours in learning. Whether you want to watch or not, this stream is up to you, but you can dedicate these 2 hours in learning on the daily basis. So I have been doing this since 100 days now, and consistency really pays well, you know. I have learned so many things. Like जितना मैंने 4 साल में नहीं पढ़ा था उतना मैंने ये 3 महीने में पढ़ा है. So yeah, you can try to join. And guys, don't forget to like the stream यार. और अभी ये मैं कंफ्यूज्ड हो गया क्या. ईमेल मॉड्यूल एक है, चार्ट जीपीटी, अरे सॉरी, चार्ट जीपीटी मेरे को कुछ अलग ही बता रहा है. चार्ट जीपीटी सेइंग Users connected inboxes stores every Gmail account connected by a user. OAuth tokens sync status last. Okay. OAuth tokens do we should not store. And email messages. Email messages also we don't want to store. We can process it on the go and then we will just use it. So orders items. ऑर्डर्स के लिए तो एक टेबल अपने को अलग से लगेगा ही. सो दिस ऑर्डर्स के लिए वी विल नीड वन orders table for sure. You know, this will have all the data like what all things an order will need. Order will have its own ID. Order will have like brand name, company name. Brand name looks cool, so brand name we can use over here. Then brand name is fine. URL or product URL. Product URL, it can be optional because it wouldn't be always present in the email. So product URL we can keep. Then price, it's up to, yeah, price we can keep. So this can be optional. If it's present we will add the price. Then OTP, I want to show the OTP. This is like a gray area because it's allowed or not, that I want to see. And then there is like what else, key status, current status. That this is the most important part and we will play around only this part. So these things I want to have in the orders table. Correct. You will be creating your project from scratch today. No, it is gonna be like parts of stream. It is not possible in one day. It is possible in one day if I use complete AI, but I'm not gonna use AI this time because I want to showcase this project in my resume as well. So whatever is going into the resume, for that I should not use AI because if the interviewer asks any question, I should be able to answer those. सो एआई यूज करेंगे प्लानिंग वगैरह के लिए, जहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम वहाँ पे एआई यूज करेंगे, बट कोड वोड लिखने के लिए तो खुद से लिखेंगे. सो नॉट इन अ डे ब्रो, नॉट इन अ डे. इट विल टेक मे बी 10 days, 10 days, 12 days based on how we progresses, how we make our progress. Okay, orders app के लिए I guess this is it. User logs in with one account, log in with one account only, one Gmail. Correct. So बना क्या रहे हो? See, I have explained this multiple times. I am creating a simple orders app. It is going to solve a basic problem that I face on day-to-day basis, which is to uh, get my all the orders, whichever the online orders that I have placed in one place. अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स है. आई डू शॉपिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट इंस्टाग्राम शॉप्स एंड ऑल, some indie shops and all. So for everything there is nothing to track about. Sometimes so I open those shops in Instagram Chrome instance. That is not actual Chrome browser. So I get lost into those orders. So to keep all those tracked, I'm creating this app so that I can track each and everything right here only. And there is one more problem that I face regularly is that I just left the house and I just left the home and I get a call from some delivery guy that your order is here. So this should show ki when my order is gonna come so that I'll be prepared for that. So it is going to solve that one particular problem of my life. That's why I'm creating this app. I don't know how other people does other people face this problem, but yeah, I lost OTPs. I forget where the OTP is, find it, and given that current busy life, this is like really cumbersome. And I have seen in Canada, Canada में ऐसे types के apps है, so it is not invalid idea. But yeah, it doesn't matter. My goal is to like learn the things, build the things from scratch. So orders, I hope you understood pain pingo. Guys, don't forget to like the video, like the stream. यूजर्स के लिए आई एम कंफ्यूज ब्रो, यूजर्स के लिए क्या क्या उसमें, सोर्स ऑर्डर सब, यूजर नेम, प्राइमरी ईमेल, गूगल यूजर आईडी, प्रोफाइल पिक्चर क्यों, ओके, connected inboxes, orders, and notifications. Mm, we are complicating the database here. First, give me four tables that we need. The reason, because we need to understand core tables कौन कौन से बनेंगे इसमें. Users is going to be core table, orders is going to be a core table, rest others will not be a core table. Okay. हाँ, connected Gmail accounts में store multiple Gmail accounts. So I want to actually have multiple Gmail accounts added. The feature. Mm, 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 mm. So connected Gmail accounts is this one, this table. So this table will be connected to this user. One user can have multiple Gmail accounts connected. So it is gonna be one to many relationship in user to connected Gmail accounts. Yeah, one to many from users to connected Gmail accounts. ओके, जो जो क्लियर होते जा रहा है ना उसको मैं इधर लिख लेता हूँ. सो यूजर्स इज वन टेबल. हैंडराइटिंग गलत है क्या? यूजर्स एंड देन कनेक्टेड अकाउंट्स करते हैं इसको, जीमेल नहीं करते क्योंकि वो फ्यूचर में बदल जाएगा. सो यूजर्स इज वन and then connected accounts is one, so it will have like one to many relationship, correct? So one user will have multiple Gmail accounts connected. So this is okay. So let me number it 1 2, and then hello अथर्व, how are you bro? अपडेट बता दीजिए अपना. mm, okay, so this is clear. There will be a users table, the all the fields, whatever the fields that each table will have, we will circle back to that after we decide on all the tables first. Okay, then there will be an orders table, right? Yeah, orders table stores the structured order data from the emails, stores products inside each order. Yeah, ये मैंने नहीं पिक्चर में लिया था. वन ऑर्डर कैन हैव मल्टीपल ऑर्डर आइटम्स, राइट? So this is basically the LLD that we are doing. Mm, a lot of things community related and YouTube project. Today was a good day. Nice, good to hear that. We are growing, bro. Huh? Atharva. So orders item, yeah. One order can contain multiple items. So this can be again one to many relationship, correct? One to many. Uh, yeah, this looks fine to me. Four tables. Uh, that means four entities, and this much is enough for us to build. So I guess we should only focus on these four entities right now. Yeah, ekdam. Okay, so I understood the basic part now. This orders, and orders will have so let me write the third table over here. Third table will be orders, and fourth one will be uh, order items. So this is one too many, correct? But then one user will have multiple orders as well. So this is also one relation. So one user will have multiple orders. So this is another relationship, correct? So this is a basic relationship that we have over here. So let me give it to chat gpt and we can start work on this part only, whenever we start any new project or something new or doing it something for the first time, if we try to keep it as minimalistic, as simple as possible, then it the chances of completing that as early as possible increases. So uh, I guess this should be the basic structure from where I should start uh, my work. So once the database structure is finalized, the basic structure, the more tables will come in the future, but this should be the core, and building the core is what our first goal is. Yes, this is correct basic structure. Only one relationship correction, one user, connected accounts, connected account, orders. No, I don't want this. I'm not thinking like this. uh, all the orders for that particular user will be shown at one place, and that's the goal. So no connected account to order needs to be shown on the app, so that we don't want actually. uh एकदम 2 मिनट या नो इश्यूज. हाय भैया, हेलो हेलो बादल, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? हाउ आर यू सर? क्या चल रहा है? You are right about the user experience. All the orders should appear together. Yeah, that is what I need. So the main relationship should be user to orders, correct? User to connected accounts, correct? And order to, yeah. But each order should still optionally store source account ID. Yeah, we can have that. Yeah, we can have that one. That premise is good. So let's discuss what all things would be now inside. So let me write this neat wisely now. So let me write this neat now. Okay, we will now write whatever the columns it will have inside now. So okay, so the first table was users table. Users table. The second was connected accounts. Connected accounts. The third was, third क्या था? Orders. And fourth, order items. Okay, so this to this is relation one to many, and this to this relation is one to many, and there is one more relation which is to this, one to this, which is one to many again. Okay, we have simplified the things now. Then this now what all things user will have. The user will have its first email, करेक्ट। आईडी तो सब में एक आईडी होगा अपना ऑटो जनरेटेड, देन इसका ईमेल, then there is some, we are going to use Google authentication, so OAuth 2.0 from Google, that is what we're going to use. So for this one, Google also gives us connected ID, Google ID, something Google ID, so I'll mention Google ID. Okay. What else we need in the users app? Chat, you can also like pitch in, like whether you feel something is missing, you can pitch in, and we can discuss about that. Okay. और क्या था यूजर्स ऐप में, यूजर्स टेबल में, सॉरी। सो लेट्स डिस्कस द यूजर्स table now. Okay, what all things we need? ID, yeah, Google user ID it is, the name, email, profile picture, URL, created at, created at and deleted at is something that we will create a separate interface there. This is how I work. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to you guys, right? Because my monitor display is off. uh just a second, if can you guys see my screen? Oh shit, oh shit. Just a second, there is some glitch, you know let me change. कुछ तो ये लफड़ा हुआ है इसका, लेकिन कोई नहीं, एडजस्ट कर लो, मैं इसको बाद में फिक्स कर लूंगा। Okay, it's visible to all of you now, I'm guessing. Now it's perfect. Okay, light off. uh did I miss some text? Did I miss some chats? Okay, back to chat. You are cool, man. Okay, okay, thanks. Jalaj Sharma. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. Jalaj Sharma. Yep, now visible. Okay, okay, fine, fine. आज प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रीम करा और DSA भी, और नाइस यार। कैन यू रेट एन ओशन रोड मैप to become better in backend and system design? Can you rate what? Rate or create? Today I connected with good person. That's nice यार। कौन किसको कनेक्ट किया बताओ? uh, See, for all of these things, Google ID is fine. I'll give you a link of Notion. Yeah, yeah, sure. Give me a link of Notion and we'll connect. अबे यार ये क्या हो रहा है बकचोदी यार? एक सेकंड गाइस, सॉरी फॉर दिस थिंग। Hello, can you guys can hear me? Yes, yeah, yeah. No sound now. Now the sound is there. Back to work. uh yes. So क्या बोल रहे थे तुम? Give it to you. Okay, भेजो मेरे को, मैं I'll review that. लिंक्डइन पे भेजना. मोटिवेटर भाई चैनल नेम आपका. What are you building as a SaaS? I'll explain to all of you again because I can see you guys asking. Uh, I'm jumping into JavaScript from the text streams. Got an input that yeah, logic is more important, not interviewer ask about HTML. Yeah, totally. Yeah. No sound. Sound is back. You back with voice. Thank you for updating. What are you building as a SaaS? So एक बार ये डायग्राम देख लो, मैं तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ क्या बना रहा हूँ, क्योंकि I have progressed in between. Okay, so these are the designs. It is a simple orders app. Just ये समझ लो कि combine, I have to combine all my orders at one place. जहाँ से भी मैं ऑर्डर कर रहा हूँ मेरे को एक ही जगह पे वो सब ऑर्डर्स दिखे, उसका स्टेटस वगैरह सब कुछ. आई मिस सम चैट्स. यार ये स्ट्रीम का बकचोदी हो गया था इसलिए. I'll read it again. एक बार ये हम tables finalize कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद one step is done and then we can move ahead. You know. So I always create one interface. Key what all things that we need to have, like housekeeping columns it is called. So housekeeping columns is what we need. So digital pane is turned off. Let me validate it. Okay. So the housekeeping columns are like created at, then updated at, then उसके बाद created updated is this much is okay. You know, we don't need many of things. These columns really help in debugging. You know, जब भी हम प्रोडक्शन पे कुछ डिबग करते हैं ना, तो ये कॉलम्स हमेशा काम में आते हैं. सो दीज कॉलम्स विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. ओके, सो यूज़र एंड यूज़र के नेम वगैरह ये सब चीज़ें हम भूल गए. सो नेम विल बी देयर, आईडी, ईमेल एंड नेम. दैट्स इनफ. प्रोफाइल पिक्चर वगैरह हम क्या करें? प्रोफाइल पिक्चर यूआरएल भी स्टोर कर लेते, देखते. प्रोफाइल पिक्चर URL, we will keep it as optional column. You know, मैं पढ़ता हूँ तुम्हारे चैट्स. अथर्व टेम भाई, जस्ट यू कैन सर्च अथर्व DSA जर्नी ऑन YT. हेलो तनिष चंद्र वंशी. हेलो ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ऑर्डर्स लाइक Amazon, Zomato? अरे बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स. हैव यू एवर प्लेस्ड, purchased or did shopping through Instagram shops? There are so many Instagram websites that I ordered to regularly. Like this t-shirt is also from Instagram. Everything, bro. So those are not like popular websites like Amazon and Flipkart. Flipkart has their own order management system, customer relationships, everything is in place for them. But for the small companies, you have to like email to them, get in touch with them. So these kind of things are there. So that's why. I hope you understand. Ram, I recently joined as a manual QA and they gave us a chance to do automation, but we have to learn from our own. Could you please guide me so that I can switch? I recently joined as a manual QA and they gave us a chance to do automation. Okay. Could you please guide me how can I switch to backend engineering in future? To switch to backend engineering, bro, you have to like pick your poison, pick your language, whatever it be. From that language, start to learn about basics, syntaxes, and then start doing lead code problems. After that, you have to do some little bit chote mote projects. And once you get hang of small projects, then you can switch to system design and LLD, HLD, all those parts. And once you get hang of that, then you can create your actual resume project that we are doing. And once we are done with that, we can mention that in our resume, and then we can answer all the questions that we will come across in the interview, and then it will be done. But it's a time taking process, lengthy process, so you have to dedicate a hell lot of time. You can grow in your own stream of career instead of switching. If you want to switch, you have to dedicate a hell lot of time. But how would you get their orders? You gonna read it from email? Yes, email, from email we can read the access. A limited access we can get, but from that we can create our templates how to read the email and convert those email into the orders. Fresh BTech graduate with zero knowledge wasted whole BTech. Arey, it's okay. People waste tens of years. I have wasted my BTech. It's okay, bro. I'm thinking to learn Java. Yeah, I don't think, just start, bro. Just start. Uh, don't go with Java. Go with Python as AI. Yeah, yeah. Python is well in the trend now. You can have hell lot many jobs in Python. So you guys can choose Python. Python is like very trendy language right now. Ram is giving good advice over here. Aditya Mishra, hello, bhai. Why I'm in final year and having knowledge of Next.js but not having a confident of making something in HTML. HTML में आजकल कोई पूछ भी नहीं रहा है भाई कि क्या तुम बना सकते हो क्या नहीं, ना इंटरव्यू में कुछ पूछा जाएगा कुछ नहीं. People mostly use AI to build the front ends right now. So little bit of tweaking that you have to do, that much if you know is fine, but major work is done using AI in the front end side. So don't worry. I'm a front end developer by profession. Okay, so connected accounts may what we will have its ID first. Mm, so connected accounts will be only one table, and in this table we will have a column called user ID, right? So we will have email, and for every email there will be an user ID, correct? So that much is enough, right? आज तो नए व्यूवर्स आए, हाँ आते हैं भाई, व्यूवर्स आते हैं. टुडे इज लाइक Tuesday, so Tuesday night is always a heavy night. Team uses Java for automation. Backend is written in Linux, and now every other person uses different tech stack. Yes. Should I repaste it? Yeah, yeah. Please repaste, bro. बहुत ऊपर चला गया वो chat. ठीक है, now connected accounts table. So let me see. Connected accounts table. So in this one, I need ID, I need user, I need email, and then I need user ID for each and every email. That much is enough. I'm new here. Can you tell me what's happening here? Cause it's day 101. So, bro, on these streams, from the day one, I started learning Java in public. So this is the goal that I gave myself like 4 months ago, and I started from nothing. Like I didn't know anything about Java or anything. I learned syntaxes, I learned basic Java, advanced Java, then I started doing lead code regularly. I did almost 95 problems on the stream, and after that I did system design. I moved to the system design. I did URL shortener one system design project, and then I built my own rate limiter in rate limiter I built using all the algorithms that were present. So after doing all those things, I got a very good idea about Java and all, how Java is being used. मतलब मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस आ गया एक ठीक ठाक ना, जो एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल को आता है. देन उसके बाद आई डिड वीक ऑफ DevOps learning. In that one I learned Docker. After that I deployed my URL shortener app to AWS EC2 instance, and then I also deployed my application to Kubernetes. So now I understood how the complete end-to-end flow of a full stack life cycle development works, and now I can develop my complete end-to-end application, and hence I started this app, which will I'll do from scratch to the deployment, and I plan to deploy it to Play Store as well. So that's it, bro. That is what it is. Aditya Mishra. शुड आई रिपेस्ट इट, या अब मेरे को मिस नहीं करना है अथर्व के मैसेजेस. We will be working on some community and collaborative study concepts so that AI usage will be less and we will save good amount of time. Okay. नहीं भाई, नहीं मिला. लिंक शेयर कर सकते हो अथर्व, तुम यूट्यूब चैनल का लिंक शेयर हो जाता है. You did a lot in 4 months, mate. Yeah, that is what I'm telling you guys. Consistency pays over anything. And I am doing a full time job, and I work in two different time zones. India के time zone में भी काम करना पड़ता है, Canada के time zone में भी काम करना पड़ता है. उसके बाद I start the stream. So if you dedicate some 2 hours, that's why I'm inviting all of you to join the stream. And whether you like the stream or not, you can mute the stream, but side by side, give 2 hours to daily learning. Whatever you want to learn, you can progress very well if you give a dedicated 2 hours of time daily. Uh, what are you building? Bro, मैंने 3 4 बार समझा दिया यार अभी मैं. I'm building an orders app जहाँ पे I can have all my online orders combined and to be shown at only one place along with their status, OTP and all the metadata that is required. So that is what I'm trying to build over here. इंडी भाई ने बोल दिया नाम मेरा इंडी पड़ गया. Do you guys know my real name? Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, ID, email, and that is enough for this. Email unique, user ID. Yeah, we are gonna keeping it very simple. So for this also housekeeping columns created at and updated at. Okay, these two columns will be there. Now orders ID, orders table, sorry. With time even you can join that, like where you do lead code and maybe instead of using AI you can just join in. Okay, I will. हम एक बार डिस्कशन करते हैं. रोहित, yes, बादल. रोहित is my name, bro. Now to orders app के लिए भी we need hey, I'm talking Hindi in between. You guys are fine with that? Give me yes or no. uh how you learn this much skills? Any playlist? No playlist, bro. ChatGPT is the playlist. uh See, I follow this strategy in the life to learn anything. Action first, like application first. So you figure out what application of that particular knowledge you want to have. क्या तुम्हें उसको अप्लाई करना है जिंदगी में, उसके बाद go in reverse and learn that particular skill. I have learned so many skills in my life, not just coding and all. I have done hell lot of things that we will discuss later sometime. Like having brainstorming or even on small things like sorting to DP. यार DP यार मैं फंसा हूँ यार DP में अभी भी. करना है उसको भी. गॉड स्लेयर, हेलो भाई जी, हेलो हेलो सर. क्या हो रहा है आजकल? जो प्लान किया था वही हो रहा है आज. ऑर्डर्स ऐप बनाना चालू कर दिया हमने. वर्सल पे सस्ता सा डिप्लॉय करा है आज वाला. wanna see? Yeah, show, share it on the Discord, bro. Let me first finish this orders app and then we will come back to the chat. Sorry, orders का टेबल नाउ. सो ऑर्डर्स टेबल के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए था? हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था ना, आईडी चाहिए. वी नीड आईडी, वी नीड ब्रांड नेम, प्रोडक्ट यूआरएल, price, OTP, and status. So these many things are okay, correct? So let me have ID and let me have a user ID. User ID is something that every order will have, correct? So is it normalized table? Yeah, tables are normalized pretty much. Then brand name we will have. What other things we had? Product URL. price, product URL, price, then क्या है, OTP and status, OTP and status. आई वॉन्ट टू हैव इनवॉइस बट एक ब्लॉब उसके लिए लगेगा, तो इनवॉइस हम बना के रखते हैं बट वी विल डू इट दिस ब्लॉब स्टोरेज लेटर. अभी ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि इसके लिए अपने को पैसा लगेगा. एंड देन उसके बाद द हाउस कीपिंग कॉलम्स क्या है, क्रिएटेड एट एंड अपडेटेड एट. सो दीज आर हाउस कीपिंग कॉलम्स. देन उसके बाद ऑर्डर एटम. ओके, सो ऑर्डर एटम के लिए भी अपने को चाहिए आईडी, and यहाँ पे we will need one to many relation, so it will be like order id, correct. And then item, orders item table में क्या होगा भाई, और लेट मी इसको देते हैं कि हमने क्या क्या लिखा है इसमें, ठीक है, ताकि ChatGPT will also stay in touch of what we are doing, you know. Always keep the chat GPT or any AI model that you are using always synced about what you are doing, because कभी कोई भी स्टेज पे तुम्हें इशू आ सकता है, तो वो इशू के लिए तुम्हें फिर चैट जीपीटी को पूरा कंटेक्स्ट देना पड़ेगा. सो उसको हमेशा बोलो आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस एंड चेक दिस, एंड इट विल सी कि हाँ हाँ ठीक है, इसमें ये सही है, ये गलत है, वो ऐसे या लुक्स गुड एज अ फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट बट आई चेंज अ फ्यू थिंग्स, आईडी, यूजर आईडी, ब्रांड नेम, ऑर्डर नंबर, total price, status, invoice URL created, replace product URL to with order number. Yeah, order number is fair point, you know. Product URL नहीं चाहिए अपने को, order number चाहिए. See this kind of things. So order number, every order will have the number, so that will be easy. Kakashi, what's up bro? Back to chats now. एक टेबल बचा है अपना. I want to build project for my resume. How it take a time, how it take a time, and also give me idea what I want to add features in the project. So the first and foremost thing you should have is like implement a good authentication first. You know, authentication होने के बाद basic CRUD operation like this, a simple application is more than enough. You know, it will have one to many or 3-4 types of relationship showcased in that, and that much is enough bro for the backend. And build a front end, it should be end to end working, and it should be solving some kind of a problem or something, then it would be like cherry on top. If your idea or project is solving some kind of a problem, then it would be a cherry on top. So that much is enough. Don't build something very difficult at the first time, because if you increase the complexity, the probability of you finishing that project reduces significantly. So keep it as simple as possible. भैया यार किसी दिन गेमिंग नाइट लाइक अमंग अस, स्क्रिबल अमंग अस मेरे को खेलना है यार. मेरे को कोई बताएगा कि कैसे खेल सकते हैं अमंग अस? मेरे पास मैकबुक है, मैकबुक पे साला कुछ नहीं चलता, बस चेस खेल सकते हैं. ककाशी ब्रो, व्हाट्सअप, हाउ आर यू ब्रदर, व्हाट्स द अपडेट? हाँ भाई मिल गया चैनल, नाइस. आई वाज लर्निंग वीडियो एडिटिंग. आई गॉट ऑन TG, made my first edit with his clip lol. Oh, okay. Tracking code, मैं नहीं समझा तुम्हारा स्लैंग. We had a long discussion just before I came about things, why backend etc. Okay. और रिएक्ट नेटिव होगा, लेट्स गो भाई. जावा स्प्रिंग बूट होता तो कंफ्यूज होता. जावा स्प्रिंग बूट भी है, बैकएंड है, लेकिन फ्रंट एंड विल बी इन रिएक्ट नेटिव. Shared in DC, but it's not that good, I think. No, don't worry. I'll check it out. I find HTML CSS so much boring. Everybody does. लेकिन एक बार तुम ट्रायल एंड एरर करने लगोगे ना, मज़ा आता है उसमें. Guys, don't forget to like the stream यार. I am not seeing the likes today. गॉड भाई. ओके, डिस्कॉर्ड पे भी आते. लेट्स फिनिश दिस पार्ट नाउ. Orders ID, orders item. Okay, order number we have replaced. That is okay. Uh, Replace product URL with this. Product data should go in order items. Okay, fine. This is what we want. Order item, order ID, product name and product URL. Order ID, product name, and then product URL. And then क्या था दूसरा? Quantity and price. Fine, 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 fine. So quantity and price. So order will also have a price and order item will also have a price. Okay. So yeah, our table structure is done over here. ये अपने को बनाना है अभी. Get it? Got it, guys? So we need 4 entities now: users entity, connected accounts, orders and orders item. So कनेक्शन वगैरह हम बाद में करेंगे, लेकिन पहले एंटिटी हम बना सकते हैं जावा में जाके. So this we can do. At least create our entity files so that we will get a table, and then we can think about later the APIs that we want to build. Okay, so back to chats now. People were asking some question. Let me answer some. कहाँ तक पढ़ा था मैंने? शेयर डीसी. या इसका मैं एक बार डिस्कॉर्ड खोल लेता हूँ. डिस्कॉर्ड कहाँ है? दिल तो है दिल. मीट का भी मैसेज देखना है. Anybody want to join the Discord server? Let me know. I'll paste the URL in the chat so that you guys can join the Discord. जिसको भी Discord पे join करना है, या तो सबसे बेस्ट तरीका मेरे को तो यही लगा है. LinkedIn पे you can message me directly and I can get in touch with all of you. So LinkedIn is best. So if you guys want to have LinkedIn, कहाँ गया मेरे chats भाई? ओके, कहाँ तक चार्ट पढ़ा था मैंने? अथर्व का पहले ये देख लेते. प्रोजेक्ट अननेम्ड, वर्सल पे किया, डेवलपर, फाइनेंस, क्रिएटर, प्लानिंग. ओके, नाइस. यू हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड इट सीम्स. बढ़िया, नाइस. कीप इट अप. बना लो इसको पूरा. फिनिश इट ब्रो. या रफ लेआउट. नाइस. बैक टू द चार्ट्स. एक बार चार्ट. We have had a long discussion before. या मैंने पढ़ा, shared it on DC. I find yeah, 13 look. Let's go. Yeah, activate that bot today. Sorry, not bot that app. करूँ क्या start उसको? I should have started early. Now it's 11 p.m. No. Nice, GG. Don't rush. किसको बोल रहे हो? वीक दूंगा HTML CSS पे. ओके. ये डिज़ाइन कौन से AI से बनाया है भाई जी? ये मैंने क्लॉड से बनाया हुआ है. एनिमीज ऐड. एनिमीज ऐड. बैन फ्रॉम DC 2 years will join. 2 years क्या किया था भाई ऐसे? क्रिएट एन ग्रुप ऑन TG2 प्लीज. TG मीन्स टेलीग्राम. अब इसको 2 मंथ बाद दिखाया हो अक्टूबर में. ओके. So design is done, so we have to like now start with the application. So चालू करें application बनाना. If I had 15 likes, then I would have thought of uh, starting the app today. So जिसने like नहीं किया है, kindly like the stream, because this was the first part which is like database design, and that we have done. Any suggestions like HTML CSS से jump करने के लिए fast? Use the AI bro. AI को बोलो मेरे को एकदम create me an AI, a modern looking UI, and consider yourself as like senior front end developer, and it will give you a good UI. Just that you have to manage that. You should be able to manage that much of code. मैन्युअली क्रिएट करना तो बड़ा टास्क हो जाएगा. Always think in two ways. There are two options right now in front of you, everybody. So one is like check, think of whatever you want to build, चेक कि तुम्हें ये लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए चाहिए, किस चीज़ के लिए चाहिए, या इट जस्ट टेम्पररी चीज़ है, तुम्हें बस ये ऐप चाहिए अभी के अभी, एंड देन इट विल सॉल्व समथिंग योर प्रॉब्लम. एंड सेकेंड थिंग कि you want to learn something. Your goal is not to build but to learn. So in that case, in the second case, don't use AI to write the code. You can use it in between for debugging and fixing purposes, but don't use it as the first source of truth. In the first option, you can always use AI, because in that way, उस ऑप्शन में तुम्हें क्या है कि ऐप बना के चाहिए बस, मतलब तुम्हें ज़्यादा बकचोदी नहीं चाहिए. कुछ कुछ ऐप्स मैंने बस वाइप कोड करके भी बनाए, क्योंकि दैट आई वांटेड फॉर माय ऑटोमेशंस एंड फ्लोज. ओके, उसमें मैनुअली होगा. मेरे थॉट्स में था आज, वो तो आदमी आया और एकदम से क्लिक हो गया. ओके ओके, दिस इज क्लीन. लेट मी save this and share it on the Discord, you know so that ये मेरे ध्यान में रहेगा कि क्या है, क्या बनाया था. एक्सकैलेटर भूल जाता है सब कुछ. इट इरेजेस आवर हिस्ट्री. ओके, what all things we will need in the Spring Initializer now. Brother, I send you a request on LinkedIn. Wanna connect? Yeah. Okay. Let me check the LinkedIn. मेरे को तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा ब्रो. तक्षक भाई का मैसेज है. You can send me a direct message, bro. Then I can see your profile. Send me some message. Hello, hi, I'm from stream something. See, मेरे पास तो कोई ये नहीं दिख रहा, नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया. So send me a text. I'll connect with you. क्या बोल रहे हो ब्रदर? आई सेंड. मेरे को नहीं आया. लो, मैंने तो 2 लाइक कर दिया. हो गए 15. थैंक यू सो मच गौद भाई. आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन यूट्यूब विद द सेम हेडिंग, डे 101 ऑफ लर्निंग एडवांस बैकएंड एंड सिस्टम डिज़ाइन लाइव कोडिंग. डे 5 तक हो गया है, बट आगे नहीं पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं. मैंने अपना एक रोड मैप. ओके, रोड मैप बनाया है. आपसे गाइडेंस चाहिए. प्लीज़ डू शेयर. LinkedIn asking me to verify this member knows you. Please enter their email to connect. You can also include personal note. ये किसी किसी को ही पूछ रहा है यार. बाकी लोग मेरे को मैसेज कर पा रहे हैं. इवन दो इफ यू वांट माय ईमेल आईडी, देन टेक दिस ईमेल आईडी, बिकॉज दिस इज माय पब्लिक ईमेल आईडी. यू कैन ऐड दिस ईमेल आईडी इफ इट्स आस्किंग, बट ऐसे नहीं पूछता. या लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब गाइस. चैटबॉट को चालू करें क्या? शुड आई स्टार्ट दी चैटबॉट गाइस? चैट ब्रेन चालू करते हैं सो दैट वी विल हैव सम फन. एक सेकेंड में आई एम स्टार्टिंग द चैट ब्रेन, द कोर फीचर ऑफ दिस चैनल. मेरे को इस पे काम करने का टाइम ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है. इज इट स्टार्टेड? It started. API key configured. Yeah, it should work now. आप बताओ लॉजिकल में इंटरेस्ट रहना कैसा है? अच्छी बात है भाई, लॉजिकल में इंटरेस्ट. तुम्हारे इस क्वेश्चन में ठीक से समझ ही नहीं पाता हूँ, एकदम आउट ऑफ कंटेक्स्ट हो. लॉजिकल में इंटरेस्ट मतलब इसका मैं क्या मीनिंग निकालूँ? लॉजिकल, लॉजिक्स बनाने में या किस में? ए ब्रो, यू करंटली वर्किंग प्रोफेशनली? यस सर. यस सर, माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल इज इन द पिन चैट, यू कैन चेक इट आउट. वही जम करूंगा फिर. ओके. Sorry, invitation not sent to Rohit. Please try again. What the fuck, bro? Parth bhai, how are you? How are you, bro? Hey, send me a message, bro. Jalal, Jalaj Sharma, send me a message, bro. It will work because I get so many messages from the people in the chat from YouTube. I get resumes, I get chats, invitations, everything. Why are you are not able to share? Check it out, bro. Ask ChatGPT. My account is public, you can just click on follow and then maybe you can send a message. Like done, thank you so much. Like जावास्क्रिप्ट हो गया, उसमें लॉजिक देते हैं चीज़ों. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, वैसे लेट्स स्टार्ट मैन, लेट्स गो. या give us noob some tips to please. Tips about what? Tips about YouTube, tips about coding. what? HTML CSS में उतना लॉजिक नहीं होता. हाँ, इसमें क्या ही लॉजिक है. यश, is this the first class? Is this the first class? It's not a class, bro. I'm not taking any class. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a chill engineer. This is the first day I'm starting this new project. अभी ये बहुत लंबा चलेगा और ये this is gonna be my core project of the resume. Like मैं 27 हूँ and I'm fresher and I'm working on Java Spring Boot. How to get employed? Bro, send me your resume on LinkedIn and I'll give you a detailed answer on that because ऐसे ऐसे तो नहीं बता पाऊंगा ठीक से ना. Because if you are able to send me a resume, that means you are very serious and then we can have a good discussion. मैंने बहुत लोगों को बताया है कि फीडबैक एंड ऑल क्या होना चाहिए. भैया बैकएंड के लिए फ्रंट एंड ज़रूरी है क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन बी इंडिपेंडेंट बैकएंड डेवलपर. भैया फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट का कोई आइडिया बता दो, कैसे मैं फिगर आउट कर सकता हूँ. कॉलेज में कुछ कॉन्फ्रेंस पेपर पब्लिश करने को कह रहे हैं. यार हमने तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट फाइनलाइज किया था, वो सब कुछ डिस्कस किया था पार्थ यार. तुमने फिर से स्ट्रीम वगैरह कुछ चेंज कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है? डेटाबेस कैसे डिज़ाइन करते हो भैया आप? अभी हमने डेटाबेस ही डिज़ाइन किया ब्रो. फर्स्ट we have analyzed and figured out what all core tables that we need. We will first create only core tables. ज़्यादा 1700 हम टेबल्स नहीं बनाते. फर्स्ट दीज आर द कोर टेबल्स एंड एज वी गो अहेड इन द डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस वी विल सी एंड हाउ. अगर अपने को कोई टेबल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है देन ओनली वी क्रिएट दैट टेबल, बट फर्स्ट वी गो ओनली विद द कोर टेबल्स. इज दिस करेक्ट सर? क्या भेजा तुमने करेक्ट? You cannot share any external URLs in the chat, Jalaj, if you are trying to send, because YouTube blocks it. It's not me, it's YouTube. YouTube does not allow external URLs within the chat. So I don't forget to. All right, I must send it by tomorrow morning, sub due, so I don't forget to. Yeah, yeah, bro. Thanks for that, and do share me on LinkedIn so that I can give you a detailed review on that. I have given so many reviews and a detailed document about what changes you should make in the resume, because resume is the first core thing that you should be fixing. You are right, मैं मुंबई आ रहा हूँ. आओ मुंबई आओ. ठीक है. नाउ अपने को क्या क्या डिपेंडेंसी चाहिए? जावा मेवन 4.1.0, jar configuration properties, and java version will be 21. So the project name क्या दे बताओ? It should be order sap. Yeah, cool. uh Suggest me a cool name to this app, suggest me a cool name for this app. By the way, is 27 late for being a fresher? No bro, कभी भी कुछ लेट नहीं होता जिंदगी में. जब जागो तब सवेरा ब्रो. तुम्हें जो करना है, जैसे करना है वैसे करो. दुनिया गई भाड़ में भाई, दुनिया की टाइमलाइन. Orders app is fine. Orders hub is also good. Orders hub. Let's verify this thing. एंड डिपेंडेंसीज भी बता ही लेते हैं कि क्या डिपेंडेंसीज चाहिए अपने को. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, चल आज हम तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं. प्लीज सेंड रिक्वेस्ट टू मी. अरे तुम्हें रिक्वेस्ट सेंड नहीं करना है, तुम सीधा, मैंने वही करके रखा है कि किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना आए. माय प्रोफाइल इज पब्लिक, यू कैन जस्ट click on follow and you can send me a message directly. I have seen people can send me messages. Just click on follow and send message, that's enough. You don't need to connect as well. If you want to connect, I have given you the email ID as well. You can uh, use that email ID to connect. LinkedIn mail ID is that only, which what I've given to you. भैया मैंने सोचा एक ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो देख लेता हूँ पहले बैकएंड के लिए, फिर चैट जीपीटी से पूछ पूछ के करूँगा. ओके, सही प्लान है. Yeah, IndieDev is I use all the time, so I should have IndieDev over here. And now about the dependencies. The first is Spring Data JPA. We need. Then we need MySQL driver. Then what else we need? We need Spring Security. Spring Security is what we need. Let's get dependencies भी दे ही दे भाई चैट जीपीटी. पता नहीं चैट जीपीटी के बिना कैसी होगी, बट आई हैव lived enough life. I have in the IT career without ChatGPT, so I know how the life used to be. Spring Web is there, MySQL driver, yeah. Spring Web, these three I have added. Validation and flyway migration, yeah. Migration we learned why we need. Validation is what we need. Then flyway, flyway migration. then Flyway MySQL. These things are required in the production actually. When we have to make some entity changes, table changes, and then the migration comes into picture. And Lombok, yeah, now we are ready to use Lombok. Okay. Add for authentication, Spring Security and all. Yeah, Spring Security चाहिए ही था. Spring Security and OAuth 2, which is we gonna use OAuth 2 client. That is what we need. Spring Boot useful for development. Dev tools हमने कभी यूज नहीं किया Spring Boot के ना. Dev tools यूज कर लेते हैं इस बार. और क्या बोल रही है ये Spring Boot actuator. Okay, this much is enough. Let's generate. Now the app is here. Let me guys, yeah, you guys are not liking the stream. I don't want a subscribe क्या हो गया है भाई आज मेरे को. I don't want a subscription from you yet. I just want a like. So a like will help me a lot rather than your subscription. So don't subscribe to the channel yet. You just have to like the stream. Okay, so coding projects. एंड या yesterday I built my own लीड कोड ट्रैकर. ये बहुत मस्त बनाया, मैं दिखाऊंगा तुम्हें. क्या था. वेट, ऐसे नहीं चाहिए अपने को. डिलीट दिस. बहन भाई. ऑर्डर सब. अरे इसकी माँ का. Okay, order sub is here, and inside this there are these things. So what I need to do I need to go a level inside? So I have to create a repo first. GitHub, new repo, order sub. Okay, let me keep it as backend because there will be a front end for this. So in this application we will have all the APIs, central app to track all my orders along with its metadata and delivery status. Okay. Add a readme. Yes, add a readme license. Yeah, it is gonna be like NASA license. So extremely important thing. Public, let it be public. Okay, and let me create this repository. Liking is the religion which great men follow. Yeah, use that your dialogue, bro. uh Athar. So now क्या बजा अभी. Okay, so let me create a new folder. uh, Order sub. Let me rename this order sub project. Okay, and inside this let me open in terminal, and let me do git init, and then let me you know what it will create some troubles. Let me move this to here and let me do git repo clone. Git clone. Let me use this. Git clone does not exist. Cloning, yes. Password is password. You guys should see this, what I'm doing here. Yeah. Now to this, our order sub is like created, and then let me paste this over here. So okay, so project is here, order sub, and we need to open the IntelliJ now. Open IntelliJ. IntelliJ is already open. Let me open the this folder now. Documents, coding, projects. Okay, open new window. Trust the project. So it is open in the IntelliJ now. So let me get IntelliJ in the new tab. Okay, so this Discord will be on always left. So yeah, this is what we have. Okay, let's try to build this project first, and we'll see Java orders application if it's building or not. We need to give application properties as well. Shift application properties. Yeah, database वगैरह कुछ नहीं दिया, तो ये सब देना पड़ेगा अपने को. Back to the charts. Did I miss anything? Okay. एप्लीकेशन प्रॉपर्टीज भरना पड़ेगा अपने को, बहुत गर्मी हो रहा है. Okay, so the first thing is what we need to create a database. So tell me guys, should I do this inside a Docker now or should I do this locally? Database Docker में बनाए या database locally बनाए? Let me ask this question to ChatGPT now because it's gonna be long term. तो एक बार decide कर लेते हैं. Should I create DB in Docker or locally? Docker is gonna help me in long term. Like if the stream helps you, masculinity does not need to be dragged into YouTube engagement metrics. It keeps MySQL isolated. Use Docker. Okay, reproducible and this. Okay, तो अपने को एक यार YML फाइल लिखना पड़ेगा. YML फाइल लिखने से अच्छा अपने पास ऑलरेडी है एक YML फाइल लिखा हुआ. So let me bring that up. Mm, I have this file already written on the last stream for another project, so we can use that. Not this, this is a Kubernetes file. So there is another backend file. Let me search the YAML docker compose YAML file. So this file we can actually uh, copy this file and paste this file over here. So orders hub में paste करें या कहाँ करें? We need it in the one root up, one level up. So documents, let me create one folder. Orders hub front end. Okay, we will have this later. It will be another. Mm, 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 mm. इसको नहीं यहाँ पे चाहिए, यहाँ पे we need this file. Let me ask to codex, where do I need codex? Where do I need to have docker compose dot yml file? मेरे को अभी एक कोक चाहिए यार. Because we will create the MySQL database inside a Docker, and then we will connect that Docker here. Guys, do like the stream, yeah. It's day 101 and we should have almost 25 likes by now, but you guys are like being lazy. I'm here. Yeah, yeah. Did I miss any chat from you, Atharva? Coffee. Yes, coffee चाहिए. Alongside POM XML. POM XML कहाँ है? अच्छा, alongside POM XML. I'm sorry. Oh shit. Okay, so let me create one file. Uh, New file, docker compose.yml. ठीक है, या ऐड ब्रो, ये क्या पूछता रहता है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता. देन इसके अंदर वी नीड सर्विसेज, सर्विसेज के अंदर वी नीड डीबी सर्विस, यू नो. ये सर्विस नहीं चाहिए अपने को, वेब नहीं चाहिए अपने को, डीबी चाहिए डॉकर में. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड. पोस्टग्रेस नहीं चाहिए, वी नीड माई एसक्यूएल एंड वी नीड इट माई एसक्यूएल. ये सजेशंस दे रहा है क्या? या माई एसक्यूएल एंड वी नीड इट. MySQL 8 is fine. So क्या हमने यूज़ किया था यहाँ? 8.4 है ना? 8.4 because that is the image that we have locally. And then restart. Always, not always, but क्या था? Unless stopped. Unless stopped. ठीक है. Then उसके बाद environment is fine. Postgres नहीं चाहिए अपने को चाहिए MySQL password and this. ठीक है, we will have all these things inside a environment file. MySQL password, MySQL user, MySQL database and this, एंड या वॉल्यूम में अपने को बेटी भाई, पोर्ट्स कौन मेरा मोदी आके लिखेगा? पोर्ट्स 336, it's an array of ports that we need. Volumes is fine. We are missing out on something. Health, yeah, this is to check health something, no? ये मैंने यूज नहीं किया, बट you need to have this health. ठीक है, हर 5 मिनट में, that is fine. And then volumes MySQL war lib slash MySQL, so ऐसे लिखते हैं इसका. So not like this, it is like MySQL. वॉल्यूम्स इज जस्ट द फाइल स्टोरेज सिस्टम, फाइल सिस्टम जहाँ पे हमें वो डेटा एक्चुअल में स्टोर करना होता है ना. तो MySQL हर एक डेटाबेस के लिए अलग अलग होता है. MySQL के लिए MySQL हाइफन डेटा, दैट्स द पोजीशन सिंपली लाइक इन द फाइल सिस्टम. war slash lib slash MySQL where all the data related to this gets stored. Okay, so this is क्या बोलते, दिस इज इट. अभी अपने को चाहिए MySQL रूट पासवर्ड और ये अपने को स्टोर करना है. सो फॉर दिस आई हैड दिस एनवायरनमेंट फाइल. उसको बोलते हैं create me an .env file based on my docker compose.yml. guys kindly like the stream यार. you guys are like, कैसे हो भाई? लाइक मतलब मैं इतना दिमाग खराब करके बता रहा हूँ सब कुछ, तुम लोग लाइक नहीं कर रहे हो स्ट्रीम को. शेम ऑन यू गाइस. It has created gang war. कर दिया भाई लाइक. थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर. डू आई नो यू ब्रो? आई गेस आई थिंक आई नो यू गैंग वॉर. डू आई, डू वी नो ईच अदर? बिकॉज मेरे एक दोस्त का भी नाम यही है. आई लाइक दिस जोक. You know the chat, this is the specialty of my stream. The chat that you are getting, those are personalized chats but through a complete system, that is chat brain that I have developed. Okay, Ayush bro, how are you brother? Hello, welcome to the stream. And guys, don't forget to like the stream यार. आजकल मेरे को likes नहीं मिल पा रहे, पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. So don't forget to like the stream because मैं भूल जाता हूँ. .env फाइल बनाई है. plugin supported found, install plugins. सब कुछ ही कर लो भाई इंस्टॉल, क्यों ही छोड़े. I'm also learning Spring currently. That's nice, bro. And keep joining the stream so that I'm always inviting you guys to join the stream, not because to see what I'm doing here, but to make you guys dedicate some 2 hours of this time for studies. So ये 2 घंटा तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे सकते हो. मेरी स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. whenever you see me online, you start studying. That's the indicator that you should have. database mysql user. uh, okay, ठीक है, it has created some things. yes, yes. कल मेरा इंटरव्यू है 15 LPA फुल स्टैक का. क्या क्या पूछ सकते हैं? फुल स्टैक कौन से टेक स्टैक में है ब्रो? इट मोटिवेट्स, यस. वी आर हियर टू मोटिवेट ईच अदर और रोस्ट ईच अदर. सुदेश हिरवे, हाय ऑफलाइन व्यूअर हियर. हेलो हेलो ब्रो, offline viewer. Oh, nice, bro. That means you follow all the streams. Good to know that. मर्न का है भाई? मर्न स्टैक में यार तो तुम्हें बहुत कुछ पूछ सकते हैं. जस्ट अब तो क्या है कल, एंड डीएस ऑफ कोर्स, यस. So yeah, follow this whatever this has been given, but I'll tell you कि you should do a round of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डेमो इंटरव्यू विद चैट जीपीटी. उसको अपना रेज्यूमे दो और बोलो कि मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछे इस रेज्यूमे के बेसिस पे. तो तुम्हारे रेज्यूमे में वॉट एवर यू हैव मेंशन इन योर रेज्यूमे, एटलीस्ट यू शुड नॉट मेक द मिस्टेक्स based off your resume. So you should be able to explain your projects, explain the skills, and explain whatever the things that you have mentioned in the resume. So that is the most important thing. अगर तुम उसमें भी मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, then interviewer will think कि इस बंदे को नहीं पता इसने कहीं से उठाया हुआ डेटा है. What is JPA? It's a JPA repository, bro. मतलब it helps us to have a code first approach. अपने को क्या बोलते हैं, मैं सिंपल वर्ड्स में अगर तुम्हें बताऊं तो इट हेल्प्स अस टू यूज कोड फर्स्ट अप्रोच. हमें डेटाबेस में बार बार जाके चेंज नहीं करना पड़ता. जेपीए अपने को हेल्प करता है इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. इफ़ यू वांट ऑफिशियल डेफिनेशन आई कैन टेल यू. या ऑफिशियल डेफिनेशन ये चार्ट ब्रेन बता देता है. JPA is a Java standard way to map objects to database tables. Yes. Hibernate usually implements it. So you write entity class, and instead of handwriting every SQL query, it's like 2009. So you know there are many approaches to write the code. If you have worked on .NET entity framework and all, so there is like code first approach. Then there is like database first approach, DB first. And then there is something like let me google it, code first approach and database first approach, and जो भी क्या क्या होता है इसमें, या database first approach. ये दो नहीं है ना, दो ही है. आर देयर एनी अदर such ways? मॉडल फर्स्ट अप्रोच ये तो नहीं है. नो इसके लिए सब नहीं, मेजरली यही है कोड फर्स्ट अप्रोच. कोड फर्स्ट अप्रोच इज कि तुम जाके एंटिटी फाइल्स बनाते हो. दिस टेबल्स दैट वी हैव डिसाइडेड, वी विल जस्ट क्रिएट एंटिटी फाइल्स आउट ऑफ दैट. वी विल क्रिएट कार्डिनैलिटी बिटवीन दिस एंटिटीज इनसाइड द जावा, and then the Spring Boot JPA will create those tables for us in the database, so we don't have to go and create the tables individually. So that part is been saved. कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट बना दो. एक जेनाई का है, एक नेटवर्किंग का है, एक फालतू सा है थिंकिंग ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग इट. ओके, या आई लाइक दिस सुदेश मैसेज, Sudesh Hirve. He is an offline viewer. I've met first offline viewer, it seems. Okay, हम कहाँ पे थे? कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं. नाउ वी नीड एप्लीकेशन प्रॉपर्टीज. सो एप्लीकेशन प्रॉपर्टीज हम कॉपी करें क्या कहीं से? अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते ही रहना, साथ ही हमें. अब जो भी हो शोला बन के है सर पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के. Let me copy everything and remove whatever the things that I don't need. Okay. So from this one, port is correct. Server 8080. Server is path is Spring Boot database data source URL. कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम में. Which laptop are you using? It's MacBook M1 Pro laptop, bro. It's a Pro. Chip is also Pro. Laptop is also Pro. We need database का नाम. So database का नाम is this. Don't worry guys, I'll change the password. Anyways, it's inside the docker. तुम कर भी क्या ही लोगे उसमें. अगर मेरी ऑडियंस को इतना सब आता है तो मेरे को क्यों देखेंगे वो. MySQL database is this 3306. Username is this MySQL user. Okay. Password is password. अपडेट दिस हाइबरनेट. एप्लीकेशन नेम अपना ऊपर ही है. कैन यू करेक्ट माय एप्लीकेशन डॉट प्रॉपर्टीज because there are some. And guys please do like the stream यार. अब तक 25 likes हो जाते हैं लेकिन पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. So you guys are not liking the stream. Please do like the stream guys. I'm not asking you to subscribe to the channel yet. Just like the stream, that's enough. ये सब हमने इसके लिए डाला था, लॉगिंग लेवल ट्रेस और एनेबल फ्लाईवे. रेडिस नहीं चाहिए अपने को अभी, तो रेडिस हटा देते. ठीक है. हाइबरनेट debug, yes, this debug we want. Okay. Once I run this docker, my database container will be created. You guys know how it works because we spent a week on that. You should know by now, because I don't want to use local database. I want to use this. So for every application I'll use Docker now, because going forward Docker is the one that we should have an eye on, because Docker में अपने को expert बनना ही बनना है. There is no excuse in that. Now we are able to write the Docker file. कितना मस्त सा Docker file लिखा है, एकदम आसान है, कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है. ये इमेज पुल करेगा, रिस्टार्ट अनलेस स्टॉप्ड, ये अपने सारे पासवर्ड वगैरह ये सब चीज़ें हैं. देन पोर्ट इज द सेम. दिस इज एन एरे. दिस इज अ होस्ट port, and this is the port which will be used inside the docker. 3306 3306, it's same in this situation, but sometimes it can be different. देन हेल्थ चेक के लिए ये है, इसका अपने दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है ज़्यादा. एंड देन वॉल्यूम्स इज where this container stores the data inside the file system. So this is the file path where this stores. So it has corrected some things for us. JDBC MySQL host port, and then this MySQL user password. Yeah, this is perfect. So अपने को अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा, docker compose up. So docker ps, is there anything running? Nothing is running. So Docker compose hyphen d build. What was the command? Give me command to build this Docker. कमांड भूल भूल गया हूँ मैं. बिल्ड क्या होता है? डॉकर कंपोज हाइफन डी बिल्ड बैकएंड और समथिंग. कंपोज तो इट विल जस्ट डू दिस. सो कंपोज का ये नहीं था. डॉकर कंपोज हाइफन डी अप. एम आई राइट? अप हाइफन डी. Just a second, chat. I'm back. I'll be back. Hyphen D. Invalid path. जोश दिल में जगाते चलो, दिल की तकदीर गाते चलो. कहाँ है अपना? दिस इज इट नो. वॉल्यूम्स अपना रॉन्ग हो गया क्या? ले भाई, सही डेटा ले ले. db refers to undefined volume. अच्छा db. ओके ओके, इसका नाम अपने को बदलना पड़ता है. ये db URL शॉर्टनर db, अपने को db का नाम देना पड़ता है. व्हाट्स द डेटाबेस नेम दैट वी हैव गिवन? order sub. MySQL database is order sub. It's not db, it's order sub. Order sub refers to an undefined volume MySQL. हाँ ओके, बैक टू चैट. यहाँ पे एक इशू है. Bro, fresher, 2 months, unemployed, CS degree from a tier 3 college, knows only like two languages, Python and Java, done some lead code but not an expert. What should I do? Some advice, please motivate. Bro, keep applying to the jobs, keep improving your resume, and first, if you want some serious advice, kindly share your resume on the LinkedIn. LinkedIn, मेरा LinkedIn इसमें है, पिन चार्ट में है. Because unless or until I see your resume, I wouldn't know about how much serious you are and what efforts you have put. Resume से एकदम से पता चल जाता है. And based on resume, I'll guide you, bro. So send your resume on LinkedIn chat. Just mention you are from YouTube stream and I'll get to know. I'm unemployed too, have great mind but lazy to study. See, the things you say about yourself, even though it might not be true, but it will come true one day. If you are saying that you are lazy continuously yourself, you will become lazy even though if you are not. So don't खुद के बारे में गलत चीजें ना बोले. You are not lazy, you are just not taking the first step. That's the problem. You just take the first step, just write the first line of code, बाकी के line of code अपने आप लिखे जाएंगे. Just start from first. Docker compose pull. Docker pull क्या है? क्या हो गया भाई? Docker compose pull. Order sub refers to an undefined volume. Why means what is undefined? वो डिफाइन अपने को करना है ना. तभी मैं, अगर मैं पुल ही नहीं करूंगा तो ये डिफाइन कैसे होगा डेटाबेस? मीन्स द सर्विस mounts MySQL data, but the compose file has no top level declaration. It will inspect the current file and declaration. MySQL war lib slash MySQL. सही यही तो लिखा था हमने क्या अलग लिखा था? लास्ट में कौन वॉल्यूम्स? मेरा चाचा लिखेगा. हाँ, ये मैं भूल गया था, अभी मेरे को याद आया. एंड में we have to list down all the volumes that we have mentioned in the file so that it will always keep communicating between the docker का file system with the this particular container का file system. Stupid me. What the fuck? So now we have to do like docker compose up hyphen d. Yeah. Order sub default MySQL data starting error response from daemon ports are not available. Expecting exposing port uh, already in use because 3306 is already in use by our other docker. कुछ चल रहा है क्या अपना? कुछ लफड़ा चल रहा है क्या अपना? नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे, नहीं चल रहा ना. तो क्या करे, 3306 को 3307 में बदल दे. होस्ट का अपने को बदलना पड़ेगा, 3307 कर दे. बताओ कबूतर बना दे इसको. Started. So docker ps image is started. So let's try to get look into this image. So docker execute in integrated terminal id, and we give us bin slash bash ही बोलते हैं ना, bash bin slash bash. Yeah, perfect, perfectos. mysql hyphen u, यूजर का नाम क्या है भाई अपना? यूजर इज दिस, and hyphen login with password. Password is this. पासवर्ड टेंशन ना ले, हम बाद में बदल देंगे पासवर्ड. यार ये पासवर्ड अभी कॉपी नहीं करने देता यार, ये लिखना पड़ता है क्या अपने को? या कॉपी करने देता है भाई, कौन बोला नहीं करने देता. नाउ वी आर इनसाइड द MySQL डॉकर नाउ. सो इसके अंदर क्या, गाइस प्लीज काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. शो डेटा बेसिस. या देर इज दिस डेटाबेस एंड देर इज दिस डेटाबेस. सो 3307 अपने को ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ये अपने आप ले लेगा मेरे ख्याल से ना. पोर्ट MySQL port should be 3307 now. Okay, and now let's start our application. Let's see if it starts or not. ये अपना ये बंद हो गया क्या? ओ सॉरी, कैमरा अभी लिंक्ड है ना. There is some warning. Laptop is not getting charged. कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है अपने डॉकिंग स्टेशन में. Yeah, database connected. Mockito is currently self-attaching to enable this. Shutdown completed. So something happened. Something happened. Hikari pool started. क्या क्या हुआ? एनोटेशन, स्प्रिंग बूट टेस्ट, कंटेक्स्ट, ऑर्डर सब एप्लीकेशन टेस्ट वगैरह ये सब चालू हुआ, बट यहाँ पे कुछ तो फेल हुआ. सो लेट मी गिव इट टू कोडेक्स और बता भाई क्या है. बैक टू द चैट्स. भाई बट वो इंस्टेंट डोपामिन नहीं मिलता. लाइक व्हेन यू बिल्ड अ DIY प्रोजेक्ट, इज देयर एनी वे आई कैन merge my DIY interest with programming? Bro, if you are really interested into programming ना, तुम पता है एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं, यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग समथिंग नो. एक छोटा सा कुछ तो एप्लीकेशन बना लो खुद से. एआई की मदद लेते चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, एआई की मदद लो, लेकिन खुद से भले ही कोड एआई दे, उसको लिख, अपने हाथों से लिखो, तुम्हें वो मज़ा आएगा. अभी आई रिसेंटली गेव एन इंटरव्यू, गॉट टिल द फाइनल राउंड एंड दे आस्क फॉर माई मार्कशीट, बट आई हैव बैकलॉग्स. विल इट क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम? नो. इफ यू आर रियली गुड at in the interview and whatever you are saying in the interviews, देन तुम्हारा मार्कशीट वगैरह कुछ कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारे कंपनी में ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो दे आर नॉट रियली ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम दिस इंडस्ट्री. ओके, कल से मेरे को लगता है कि जल्दी स्ट्रीम चालू करना पड़ेगा. मैं डेली बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन डेली जल्दी स्ट्रीम चालू करना मुश्किल हो जाता है यार. किसी ने मेरे को मैसेज भेजा है क्या लिंक्डइन पे? किसी ने रेज्यूमे भेजा है शायद. AIML फुल स्टैक डेव, अच्छा प्रोफाइल है भाई का. Okay, I'll be after stream इसको देखते. Meanwhile guys, do like the stream. यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है अपना? Everything is working correctly. MySQL 4.4 connected successfully. Database this exit 0. Hikari shutdown is normal because you ran a test, not the persistent. Oh sorry sorry, मैंने टेस्ट रन किया. तभी मैं सोचूं, मैं पढ़ा लेकिन मेरा ब्रेन प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाया एकदम से. सी annotation context, I am seeing this Spring Boot test context bootstrapper, ये मैंने देखा. Spring Boot test context bootstrapper, but I didn't realize कि मैंने टेस्ट एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट किया. डम फक. एप्लीकेशन फेल टू स्टार्ट, वेब सर्वर फेल टू स्टार्ट, पोर्ट वाज ऑलरेडी इन यूज. हाँ यार, पोर्ट मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ मेरे ऑर्डर्स ऐप के लिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट नाउ. या इट स्टार्टेड. इट स्टार्टेड. लेट्स सी. लोकल होस्ट 8081. या इट स्टार्टेड आवर एप्लीकेशन. लिक्विड लैंग्वेज पे काम करना है उस कंपनी में. ओके, लिक्विड लैंग्वेज क्या है? लिक्विड लैंग्वेज an open source template created by Shopify. Okay. ओके, ये कुछ तो नया है Shopify, ये पता नहीं था. ये बताइए why you guys are seeing this screen if, when I logged into, like I just started localhost 8081 where my Spring Boot application is running. You know the reason? Because we have a dependency. कौन सा dependency है अपने पर? We have a dependency of Spring Security, and that's why this has been injected in the application. So we have to replace this with the OAuth 2.0 authentication, or whichever the authentication that we want to use. Okay, so कहाँ है ये अपना Spring Security, Spring Framework, Spring Boot Framework, yeah, Spring Boot Starter Security OAuth client and Spring Boot Security. Because of this, we are seeing this. Bro, you are copying Abhishek Sharma's title. Okay. ब्रो ये मेरे टाइटल्स बहुत टाइम से ऐसे ही है. डे 101 102. So this is working. जोश दिल में जगाते रहो. So yeah, we can push this much now. We can at least push this much now. Initial commit. So commit and push. परमिशन या पब्लिक की नहीं है इसके पास. So I have to go and do this from the terminal. हे ब्रो, डिड यू बिल्ड एनी अदर SaaS अदर देन दिस? हम मैंने एक बनाया हुआ था, एक AI चैट बनाया हुआ था मैंने. आई स्टार्टेड ऑन दैट, बट मेरे से वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया. बट आई गॉट ऑलमोस्ट 200 यूजर्स, फ्री यूजर्स थे, फ्री यूजर्स स्टार्टेड वर्किंग यूजिंग दैट. बट पता नहीं मैंने उसको क्यों पूरा नहीं किया बाद में. दिस इज कंसिडर, यू कैन कंसिडर दिस एज माई फर्स्ट वन. Okay. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Okay. So we have done this. Now let's create the. भाई इसमें HLD का कौन कौन से टॉपिक यूज हो रहे हैं ब्रो? वो तो तुम्हें फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा कौन कौन से टॉपिक. मैं ऐसे तो नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. भाई आपको कितना साला हो गया कोडिंग करते हुए? कितने साल हो गए? मेरे को 4-5 साल हो गए अभी. 5 साल हो गए भाई. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गई. ये साला कब नाम दे. आई एम न्यू टू स्ट्रीम. दीपक. आई एम न्यू टू स्ट्रीम. What is the exact product idea? Let me show you. So this is the UI design that I have. It is just my all the online orders will be shown in the one place. So one place stop for all my online shopping orders. So it will show its status as well, in transit वगैरह, जो भी डिलीवरी स्टेटस है, OTP वगैरह, और कौन से साइट से मंगाए, सब कुछ वहाँ पे दिखेगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड, बिकॉज आई एम फेसिंग अ प्रॉब्लम सिंस अ ईयर नाउ कि आई एम शॉपिंग एडिक्ट थ्रू Instagram, शॉपिंग एडिक्ट. On Instagram I see newer brands, new India brands, made in India and all those things, and I order. And then I forgot कहाँ से order किया था. Suppose in some cases I want to return it, but I forgot कहाँ से order किया था, तो मेरे को जाके देखना पड़ता है. And sometimes some order comes when I'm not at home, and it creates some issues. So that's why I want to have this. It is very simple and it will solve my problem. So I want to have this here. Okay. Now अभी अपने को modules बनाने हैं. The module that I first want is like auth module. But the folder structure should be. But as you new e-commerce platform, no, not exactly. Sir, is this true that everyone has different IQ, or is just that some people study more than others, thus they are intelligent? देखो, मेरे पास इसके लिए एक बहुत ही लॉजिकल आंसर है. आई हैव सेड दिस मल्टीपल टाइम्स ऑन द स्ट्रीम. Nobody is like born talented or born dumb. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. You just have to spend 10,000 hours in one particular skill to like excel in that. So once you spend 10,000 hours in any particular skill, you will get a breakthrough in your life. So once you achieve something great in one field, then other field में भी तुम जाके उतना ही मेहनत करोगे. For example, consider if Virat Kohli, who has achieved miles in his own career, in his cricketing career, if he does something new tomorrow, for example, uh, कोई भी एक चीज पकड़ लो, वो जाके फॉर एग्जांपल फिल्म्स बनाना चालू कर दे, तो ही विल बी अगेन वेरी गुड एट दैट, बिकॉज उसने एक बार वो करके देख लिया है कि कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है, कैसे स्मार्ट वर्क करते, कैसे कैसे मेहनत करते. ही नोज द सिस्टम्स of working hard. He just have to know the new field and he will be able to do that. So ये IQ ये सब इसमें नहीं होता. आउटलायर्स की कंसेप्ट है 10,000 आवर्स, इस पे टेडेक्स टॉक्स भी है. यू कैन चेक दोज टाइटल्स. ओके. या बैक टू मॉड्यूल्स. अभी 12 बज चुके हैं तो दिमाग कम चलता है. सो आई वांट टू हैव मॉड्यूल्स नाउ. सो which all modules I need in the beginning. Uh, hey, I'm new here, so can you give me the context of your project that you are creating? अभी जस्ट दिया यार मैंने. तुम अगर सीक बैक कर सकते हो एक 1 minute बैक, then you can get the idea. So eventually it's the hard work that makes people smart. Yes, hard work, smart work दोनों भी मतलब यार. You focus on one thing, you excel in that thing. कोई भी तुम कंपेयर मत करो किसी और से कि कौन क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं. अपना अपना सिस्टम बनाओ, अपने अपना ये करो. But the problem is that those orders are from new platforms or startups, right? There are like thousands like that. We can't do for everyone and expect standard platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. around 10. That is the whole point, bro. So we need to write some converters and like email finders. We have to look for the order number in the email, and if that is if that matches with something, then we have to get pull that into our database. So that is a most core logic of this application will be. We will come to that point, but you have raised very good concern over here. So you have got what I'm trying to do here, Deepak Reddy. Good one, bro. So we need only these modules right now. So let me ask, add this empty modules first. ओके, लेट इट ऐड. बिकॉज मेरे को चाहिए कि कौन से लोकेशन पे होगा. डॉकर फाइल खुद से लिखा, मेरे को मजा आया. ईच कंटेन्स अ पैकेज इन्फो. ओके, पैकेज इन्फो जावा ये नहीं चाहिए अपने को. वी डोंट वांट दिस. वी डोंट वांट दिस. वी डोंट वांट दिस. डोंट वांट दिस. ओके. So now we'll first create the users entity now. So let me add one Java class called user. Okay, yes, add bro, add. And this is of type entity. Hmm, इसमें क्या क्या चाहिए अपने को. Just a second. Okay. Uh, hey bro, how are you doing? I'm good, bro. How are you? Adonis. How are you, bro? सो अपने को क्या क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे जो हमने लिख के रखा हुआ है। एक यूज़र, कहाँ गया अपना डायग्राम। इसमें भी हमने एक यूज़र का ये बनाया था ना, यूज़र बनाया था, क्या बनाया था हमने इसमें, एंटिटी। सो लेट मी गो एंड चेक, DTO नॉट DTO, URL एंटिटी या। सो प्राइवेट लॉन्ग ID वी विल टेक। ठीक है, एंटिटी में अपने को इसमें नाम देते हैं, क्या होता है, नेम यूज़र्स, नेम यूज़र्स, ठीक है। एंड और क्या था इसमें, ईमेल, प्राइवेट स्ट्रिंग ईमेल, देन प्राइवेट स्ट्रिंग नेम, ठीक है, रैपर क्लास, देन गूगल ID नेम, प्राइवेट स्ट्रिंग नेम, नेम नेम क्या था यार, नेम दिया हमने, ये लिया प्रोफाइल पिक URL। प्रोफाइल पिक URL के लिए क्या अपने को लगेगा, सो कॉमन में अपने को हाउसकीपिंग, this we need base entity here, base entity, and it will be a class, okay। so base entity, इसका कोई अपने को ये नहीं बनाना है, it should not be a different table but it will